Hi guys. Okay, yes, I know. I've been a little MIA, and I know, I'm sorry. I apologize. I know I didn't upload any videos last week, and I always upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I just didn't upload any last week, and I'm very sorry about that, but I was in the process of packing and, you know, trying to plan my vacation and get all ready for that, and it was still very stressful on top of working a full 40 hours a week. And, you know, trying to get my vacation ready and all that, but I'm sorry, it won't happen again. But currently I am in Michigan, that's why we have a different setting. I am at my in-laws' house. I will be uploading a lot more. I'm sorry about that. I do have videos pre-filmed from back when I was back home, but the day I left, my boxycharm came, and I got the mail before I left, so I could film this for you guys. But let's just jump right into this and let me stop blabbing. So this is boxycharm. Boxycharm is a $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size items. This is what it comes in. I did open mine up. You open it up and it says Hello Charmer, and then it just looks like this, and we have a little card, and the card will have everything on it, and then, oh, it doesn't have a variation this month. Okay, that's weird. It just has what everything is. And the theme is totally boxycharm this month. And I'm sorry about the lighting. Like I said, I'm at my in-laws, and I don't have like my filming lights, so it's a little dark in here. I do have the light on, and I am have a window open, but it's a little bit of light. Sorry about that. But you open it up, and this is what it looks like. And the first thing I see is by Steve Laurent, and it is a lip liner in Chic. I will open this up. It's just like a brown tone shade. Pretty shade. I like lip liners. I don't have very many of them, so I'm always happy to receive one. And this retails for $15. A little pricey, but it is a decent size. It's just a lip liner, very pretty shade. And then next we have this by Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I like this. I like the packaging, like the pastel pink shade. Oh, it was sealed, and I didn't realize that. So we open it up, and it's like a squeezy tube, and let's just... Okay, so my camera cut off, but I just dumped some on my hand right there. You can't really see it. It's a very light pink shade, and then it's an oil, so when you rub it in, it just gives your skin like a light sheen, and it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, not anything crazy. Like I said, you're not going to be able to see it, but it doesn't have a smell or anything. I would definitely use this like before I prime my face or anything, and just, you know, rub this in and then, you know, let it sit a minute and then apply my primer and stuff. That's how I would personally use this. Or it says minimum effort, maximum results. Bring out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver your instant luminosity, while a potent blend of our signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. How to use. Gently squeeze tube to release 2 to 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil onto fingertips. Massage into skin until fully absorbed. So you can use this as like just an oil. It's just a squeezy oil. It is very, very hydrating. Like you can see it on my hand right there. The kind of like wet look it gives it. I'm excited about that. Let's see how much that retails for. That retails for $42 for this little thing. Holy cow. This is only 25 milliliters. It's $42. That's pricey. But let's pull up the next thing, which is by Tarte. I love this neon pink packaging. It is a Tarte Big Eagle mascara. This is a new mascara if I'm not mistaken. But I am so sick of receiving mascaras in my boxes. Like, come on. But that's what the wand looks like. It reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex or the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging. Look how bright that is. You can even see that in this lighting. Like, look how bright that is. I'm not going to open this because I do have quite a few mascaras open already. But I love that packaging, and I'm definitely excited to give it a try. I love the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara that has this exact wand, so I'm excited to see if this is similar to that. Let's see how much that retails for. Tarte Big Eagle Mascara, $23, which is pretty average for mascaras from high-end brands. But like I said, I'm pretty sure it's like a new mascara that just came out recently. And the next 2 things are by Ace Beauté, which we've received things in this box, in boxycharm from this brand before. And these are Glimmer Shadows. I have the shade Ice Latte and Cotton Candy. They look like this. I will swatch them. They remind me of the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, which are only like $6. So this one is Cotton Candy. Ooh, very, very soft. Look at that. Ooh, very pretty. It's like pink with a gold shimmer. And looks like that. You can see all the shimmer in there. And then this one is the iced latte shade. They're very, very soft. Ooh, that one's like a gold with like a white iridescent shimmer. It's that shade right there. Very, very glittery. And very pigmented because I was able to do like multiple swatches. Let's see how much these retail for. It says Glimmer Shadow Duo, $25. So that's for both of these. That's still pretty, that's really pricey because that is still really, really pricey because ColourPop has these for like $8 if I'm not mistaken. They're like $8 or $6 and they're the Super Shock shadows. So I don't know. I just feel like these are like what ColourPop has. And last but not least, which I am the most excited for, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Satin Refresh Powder. I have this powder, but I want to open this and make sure this is the correct shade that I have. Yes, it is. Okay, so I have this. Let me grab it. Okay, this is the one I have. This is the one in the box. And I love this stuff. I'm actually wearing it today. But you open it up. It looks like this. You open it up. Cap just twist off and it looks like this, and it's got like a little thing. It says keep me closed to keep me cool. And then you open this up and it looks like that, and it's got like this net in here, which I don't know if you're going to see. It's got a net right here, and you stick your finger in. That's how you get the powder out. But this powder is cooling to the touch. It's like almost cold and wet to the touch, and I have found that if you apply this with a sponge, it looks the best because I feel like a brush, it makes the brush like that wet, almost that cool, almost wet like consistency, and it kind of just messes it all up. It works best with the sponge in my personal opinion, but I love this powder, and you do get quite a bit. Like I've used this for quite a while, and I still have a good, you know, third of the tube left. I love that stuff, and it retails for $39, but like I said, I did buy this myself, and I will definitely be keeping this one to myself too, because I will go through this. I love this powder. So all in all, this wasn't the best box. I think the only thing I'm most excited for is the, you know, the powder, and I will use the oil, and the lip liner is okay, not my favorite shade, and then these, I just feel like they're ColourPop ripoffs, and then I'm sick of mascara. I don't know, you guys. I mean, I'm torn. This wasn't the best box by any means, but it was a okay box. Like, I'll use some of the items in there, but I'm not thrilled with it. Like, these, I don't ever really use single shadows, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is this worth $21 a month? Do you guys like this box? If you got this box, let me know what you got. Did you get the same shades as I did? Did you get, you know, the same lip color? Did you get the mascara? Let me know down below. I love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions. And like I said, I'm very sorry about missing last week's uploads. I had some stuff going on. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, do not forget to subscribe down below. I do try to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you, or, you know, I ever missed an upload, you can always follow me on all my social media down below. I am on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. And if I'm not uploading on YouTube, you can follow me over there. I do post. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.